Start this conversation.
Hello guys, back at it again with another video. This time I'll be taking you through how I am able to track my habits, stay on track with my habits that I want to sustain them for a long period of time. So I usually use this app called HabitBull. It has helped me to be able to stay on track on my habits, the habits that I want long term. So let us dive in. So first click on the app HabitBull. So here you can see all the habits that I'm currently tracking. So right now I'm doing exercise, and you can see the exercise. I've been doing it for 209 days. You can see it here on the top, and so far I've been able to keep it 100%. So the good thing about this app, you can set the habits that you want. Like right now I've put the type is yes or no, and I do it at least twice every week. So that's for the exercise. At least if I do 2 days of exercise, that week will be considered a success. So far I've been able to keep on track of my exercise. So as you can see, this is the month of November, the month of October, the month of September, August, July, June, May. So it's May is when I started tracking my exercise regime. So you can see since May up to now I've been consistent, and this is something I'm going to do long term. So even let's say you want to add a new habit, like click on add, say study, simple yes or no. Then you can see study, then you can choose even the color. So let's go for blue, then you click next. So here you can choose how often do you want to do this habit. You can choose every day, only days of the week, and you can choose which days you want to be successful, number of days per period, or repeating. So me, I usually like a number of days per period, like for a given week. Like the one with the exercise, I usually do 2 days per week, because you'll find that there are some days on the week you won't be able to make it, or you have some other unfortunate events that happen usually during life. So you have to account for that and be flexible. So like right now, let me just say like 3 days per week. Then you also want to make it the bare minimum, like the bare minimum amount that you can do a week to consider it a success. And from research has been shown that it usually takes 66 days to success. So I have to do 66 days of this habit, of this activity, in order to make it a habit. So you can see now, if I do 3 days per week, by February on 8th or 8th of February next year, I've completed 66 days of success. Then I click on create. So now you have a study habit. So you click on it. Let's say I studied Friday and Sunday and Friday, Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah. Like Monday, Wednesday, let's see. Oh, it's 39%. Okay. So now I have created this new study habit. So now every week I have to make sure I accomplish at least 3 days I've studied well, in order to make this week be successful. So this is a great app for tracking your habits. I highly recommend it, and I'll leave a link in the description. So hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, you can leave them in the comment section. And also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.